Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel. Today our topic is pipes and cisterns, basic part 1. In this topic I am going to explain the basic method to solve the pipes and cisterns problem. Before going into the topic, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let us go into the topic. The problems on the pipes and cisterns are also deals in same manner as that of time and work. So if you have not seen my time and work video, I'm going to put a link in the top right corner. So please do watch it so that you will understand easily. We have to note that a filling pipe does a positive work, whereas emptying the pipe does a negative work. Here, filling a tank is a positive work, and emptying a tank is a negative work, and vice versa. Efficiency is the amount or the part of the work that can be completed in 1 day or hour according to the question. The efficiency of a person depending upon the question. Okay. So the first question is, pipe A can fill an empty tank in 21 hours, while pipe B can fill an empty tank in 28 hours. In how many hours can the both pipes together fill the empty tank? Here the pipe A's total time is 21 hours, while the pipe B's total time is 28 hours. We have to find while pipe A and pipe B, when they are doing the combined work, in how many hours the total tank will be filled. So there are two types of methods. I'm going to do the first method, which is basic method. Here the part of the tank filled by the pipe A in 1 hour is, if pipe A can fill the complete tank in 24 hours, so let us consider the total work is 1 unit. So in 1 hour it can be filled 1 by 21st part of the work. In the same manner, part of the tank filled with the pipe B in 1 hour is 1 by 28th part. So part of the tank filled by the both pipe together in 1 hour is, taking the LCM of 1 by 21 plus 1 by 28. By taking the LCM, we got LCM as 84, and 21 4 times and 28 3 times. So it can complete 7 by 84th part of the work in 1 hour by combining work of both A and B. So by cancellation, 7 ones are 7 12s are. So both A and B can complete 1 by 12th part of the work in 1 hour. So if it can complete 1 by 12th part of the work in 1 hour, so the total time taken by both the pipe is 12 hours. I hope you understand. And the second method, which is a basic method, I have done this kind of method in time and work problems. So please watch it. Here the efficiency, here I am taking the value of A and B. Here the A can complete the work in 21 hours and the B can complete the work in 28 hours. We are taking the LCM of 21 and 28, that is 84. Here 84 is considered the total work. It is considered as total work. So when 84 is divided by 21, we get the value of A as 4 unit, that is efficiency of A, and the efficiency of B is 3 units per hour. So the combined efficiency of A and B is 4 units plus 3 units, that is 7 units per hour. This is a combined efficiency of A and B. Both A and B can complete 7 units of work in 1 hour. Here the total work is 84 units. If they can complete 7 units of work in 1 hour, so the 84 units of work they can complete in, we can also do is 7 units work in 1 hour here. So 84 units of work in how many hours? Here cross multiplying the 84 into 1, 84 divided by 7, that is 84 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 12s are. That is, they can complete the complete unit of the work in 12 hours. This is an easy method. So I am taking this method. We can complete any kind of problems within 5 seconds by using this method, if you have a good knowledge according to the question. So the second question is, two pipes X and Y can fill an empty tank in 60 minutes and 90 minutes. Here the time taken by X is 60 minutes and the time taken by Y is 90 minutes respectively. Both the pipes were opened simultaneously. Here the simultaneous means open at the same time. Simultaneous means open at the same time. simultaneously when the tank was empty. When the tank was empty, both the pipes are opened at a time. After some time, pipe X was closed. Then pipe Y took 15 minutes to fill the rest of the tank. Then how much time was the pipe X was open? We need to find after how many minutes the pipe X was closed. Okay. We are going to do this question with a shortcut method so that you can understand easily. Here the let us X can complete the total work in 60 minutes and the Y can complete the total work is 90 minutes. Here by taking the LCM of 60 and 90, we got LCM as 180. By dividing the 180 by 3, we get the efficiency of X as 3 liters per minute. Here units are liters per minute, and the efficiency of Y is 2 liters per minute. We got 2 as by dividing the 180 by total time taken by the Y, that is 90 minutes. 90 ones are 92s are, that is 2 liters per minute. This is the efficiency of Y. It can fill 2 liters. So the combined efficiency of X and Y is 2 liters of Y and 3 liters of X. So the combined efficiency is 5 liters. Given that Y alone worked for 15 minutes. So here Y alone worked for 15 minutes. So efficiency of Y for 1 minute is 2 liters. For 15 minutes is 2 liters. 2 liters is efficiency of Y for 1 minute. So for 15 minutes it can fill 30 liters of tank. So the remaining tank is here, the total capacity of the tank is 180. Let me erase. Here the total capacity of the tank is 180 liters. If the Y filled 30 liters of the tank alone, so the remaining amount of liters is 150 liters, which has to be filled by both X and Y. So the time taken by the both X and Y to fill 150 liters is 150 divided by 5. Here the efficiency of both X and Y is 5 units. That is 30 minutes. So X alone worked for 30 minutes. The third question is, pipe A can fill an empty tank in 6 hours and the pipe B can empty a full tank in 8 hours. If the tank is empty when the pipe A is opened at 9 am and the pipe B was opened at 11 am, then at what time the tank is filled? Here the pipe A can fill the tank in 6 hours while the pipe B is an emptying the tank. It's a negative work. So pipe A is fill the tank in 6 hours. Here the pipe B is in 8 hours. It is emptying the tank. The LCM of 6 and 8 is 24 and the efficiency when the 24 is divided by 6, the efficiency of A becomes plus 4. It is plus 4 liters per hour and the efficiency of B is minus 3 liters. Here the minus symbol indicates the pipe B is emptying the tank. Here the minus symbol indicates the pipe B is emptying the tank. So the combined efficiency is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 liter, and the A and B combined open together, the efficiency of both the pipes is 1 liter per hour. Here the pipe A is opened at 9 am and the pipe B is opened at 11 am. The gap is 2 hours. In the 2 hours, pipe A can fill in. The pipe A is opened at 9 am and the pipe B and worked until 11 am alone. So the time is 2 hours. In 2 hours, pipe A can complete the work in 2 hours. The work completed by A is 4 into 2 hours, that is 8 liters. Pipe A filled 8 liters of the tank in 2 hours. After 2 hours, pipe B was open. So the combined efficiency of A and B becomes 1 liter, and hence the remaining amount was, here the 8 liters was filled by A alone, and the remaining amount was 24 minus 8 is equal to 16 liters, which has to be done by A and B. That is, the time taken by the both to complete the remaining work is 16. Both efficiency is 1 unit, so 16 hours. From 11 am, the time taken was 16 hours. So the time total, the complete time taken was, so from 11 am it took 16 hours to complete the remaining work. So then complete work will be done in the 3 am in the next day. And the next question is, fourth question. Two pipes can fill an empty tank in 9 hours and 12 hours respectively. individually. Third pipe alone can empty that full tank in 18 hours. Here the 3 pipes, that is, one in 9 hours it can be filled, and the second one it can be filled in 12 hours, and the third one empties the full tank in 18 hours. So find the time taken to fill the tank when it is empty. The 3 pipes are open simultaneously. Here it is asking when the 3 pipes are open simultaneously, which means all the 3 at the same time. What is the time taken to fill the complete tank? Here, let us consider the 3 pipes as A, B and C. So, the time taken by A is 9 hours, time taken by B is 12 hours, time taken by C is 18 hours. LCM of all the 3 are 36. So, efficiency of A becomes 4 liters per hour. Here the 4 becomes 36 divided by 9, 4 liters. And the 36 divided by 12, 3 liters. 36 divided by 18, 2 liters. Where the negative indicates pipe C is emptying the tank, which means that is the reason why I am indicating the liters with negative. So the combined efficiency of all our 3 is 4 plus 3 minus 2, that is 5 liters per hour. When all the 3 are open together, they can complete for 1 hour they can complete the amount of work is 5 liters. So the time taken by all the pipes to fill the tank is, total capacity is 36 liters. 1 hour's efficiency is 5 liters. 36 divided by 5 is equal to 7.2 hours. If in the question he asked in the minutes, we have to convert 0.2 into minutes. So by converting that, it becomes 7 hours and 12 minutes. So that's it. If you have learned something from this video, please do subscribe and like the video. It will really motivate me to do more videos on this. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.